Maxcord is a Discord-rich presence plug-in for Threads Max. When you run Threads Max after Maxcord installation, there will be a new icon in taskbar icon tray. To run Maxcord, just double-click on the icon and config window shows up. You can customize the avatar, status and display options of your rich presence. After you're pleased with your rich presence, simply right-click on the Maxcord purple bar and click on Close. You can reopen the config window by double-clicking on the icon tray at any time you want. Also, you can change them in real time and rich presence gets updated. Maxcord can sync your current working Steam name to the rich presence, and also it can show how much time you're working with Threads Max. Maxcord works with all versions of Threads Max. You can grab it from official software distribution link in video descriptions. Have a good time. Also, don't forget to subscribe and support us so we can make more useful tools for you.